What's up guys, Todd Kelly, Shuswap Outdoors. Today we're having a look at the Phelps Unleashed V2 bugle tube. So the Unleashed V2 came out last year and it is by far the easiest and nicest bugle system I've ever had. With the system, they give you both their Easy Bugler external diaphragm mouthpiece here. And for guys that like using mouth diaphragms, they give you a flared mouthpiece. I'm not a mouth diaphragm guy. I'm using their external Easy Bugler mouthpiece here. The tube itself is covered in a 2 mil thick neoprene cover. And one of the really nice features they did is they completely wrapped it around the end of the bugle tube, so there's no exposed plastic. So when you're busting through the brush, you're not getting any plastic sounds rubbing against tree branches. Really well thought out feature. They have a bungee cord sewn into the cover here with lots of stretch. So when you have it around your chest, you can pull it out, rip on this thing without having to remove it around your neck. Really nice, lots of stretch in here. The tube itself is a lightweight plastic, but they built in a whole bunch of ridges into this tube here. So there's a lot of rigidity to the tube. So you're not gonna have any problems strapping this down to your backpack. You're not gonna collapse the tube. Really nice feature that it's so stiff, even though it's really lightweight. So to use the Easy Bugler mouthpiece, you wanna start off with a bit of throaty sound to your voice, with like a, leaving some space between your lip and the diaphragm to let that thing vibrate. Then you're slowly gonna pinch your lips down onto the diaphragm to get that high-pitched bugle, and then drop it back down. Pretty easy to use right out of the box. Really well designed, user-friendly. Obviously, the more practice you get with this thing, the better you're gonna sound on it, but right out of the box, really easy to get a decent bugle. To do some chuckles, you're gonna do a bit of a with your lips, and depends on where your lips land on the diaphragm, you're gonna get some different sounds. Anyways, that's the Unleashed V2. If you have any questions or comments, throw those on down below. Hit the thumbs up. And if you're into more gear review, fishing, and hunting content, please subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching.